Mama.
Is that good yogurt?
Bye.
Bye. You want me to turn the camera off?
Mm.
You can eat some more yogurt? Why don't you use your spoon? Can you use your spoon? Oh no, because it doesn't go through the bottom. Do you like yogurt? Yeah. Did you hear a kitty?
No.
What's the kitty say? What does kitty say?
Meow.
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 What's outside?
No.
Snow. You want to say bye?